everybody, welcome to Excel video 344. I'm Nate Moore. I was at a client in Texas this past week, and one of the things we did while I was there was to create some custom fields in their practice management system. Once we had the fields created, we were able to populate them with existing data from the practice management system, move things around, change things, create things, and add those custom fields to some of the custom reports we've done and get a whole new view of their data. When you want to really customize your practice management system, I'd love to help you. I want to talk about data tables today. Wrap up our discussion, show you some tips and tricks, things that data tables can and can't do for you. You start with the thing they can't do, and that's change. If you try to change any of these values in a data table, if you try to delete it, Excel says no. If you try to change this to 3000, Excel says no. You can't change part of a data table. What you can do is change the values that we're going to pass through the interest rate up here or the term here. You can change those all day long. So if you say, yeah, I thought I wanted 7, but what I really want is, 6.8. Can you do 6.8 and 6.9? The data table says, sure, I can help you with that. These values are easily changed. The values that are locked in here in this table formula that you can't use anyplace else, that is stuck in a data table. So you can change these if you've got a really complicated spreadsheet, lots of tables, a great big data table, something like that, and it's really slowing down every time you want to update your data. The last trick I want to show you is this. Let's say that I've got a formula here, and what I've done, if you come and look, see how I've added to the payment formula? I've said, hey, you know what, there's a $50 service fee or $50 lease payment fee or whatever it is. There's an additional $50 above and beyond the payment that I've added to my formula to calculate the payment on this equipment loan. If I go and change this, let's take it away, all my numbers change. Under the Formulas tab, Calculation Options, I can turn off automatic calculation just for data tables. So again, if I've got a huge data table that's really slowing down my spreadsheet, I can do this. I can turn it off. Then I can make whatever changes I want to do. I could change these numbers. Let's put my $50 fee back in here. Notice when I put the $50 fee back in, these numbers don't change. Let's make this 7.1. Nothing changes in my data table until I do calculate now, and everybody changes. And then I can take the calculations back to automatic if I need to keep my spreadsheet going and not slow me down. The shortcut for calculate now is also the F9 key. Either one will work, and that's the way to keep your data table from really grinding your spreadsheet to a halt. That's what I wanted to say about data tables today. Stay tuned next time. We're going to take a whole new direction in our Excel videos, and I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks for watching.